You're welcome to my channel. It's VsmDesigns. Let's make this nice looking pocket together. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I bring any update, you will be first notified. First of all, let's determine the position and size of our pocket from the clothes. Then after that, we are going to cut our gum to size 4 3/4 inches by 5 3/4 inches. So after cutting the gum, we go ahead and gum it on the fabric that we are using. And of course, you are going to trim these sides. Then you fold. I did not add hemming gum yet. I just folded it to form crease on it. Then I use my ruler to place it this way and mark it out. Then you mark this way as well. I'm going to mark double lines here. So that's how I'm going to run thread on it. So I'm going to use sky blue thread to run thread on it, since this is a navy blue fabric. For me to fix this on the needle, I am going to double the thread and fix it on the needle, so that as I am sewing, it will be sewing with double thread. So let's go ahead and run the thread. You have to make sure that you set your stitches to be long. Don't use your normal stitches to sew this. And as you are sewing it gently. So I've run the first one and I am doubling it again for the second time. And yet I am still running it again on the same line. This is the third time. So in essence, if you open how many lines of thread that are here, it's going to be 6. On a normal day, I'm not supposed to use straight sewing machine to do this. I'm supposed to take it to people that do design, either monogram or phonics design, but you have to improvise most of the times, as long as the result comes out nice. So I'm running the same thread again on this other side 3 times with double thread. So this is what I'm going to use to fix on this place. This is how it's going to look like. This is where I am going to place it. So I'll go ahead and gum it on a fabric, combination fabric that I intend to use. So this is it. Then it's going to be placed this way. This is a very simple pocket design. Are you a content creator? Do you make use of Capcut for your editing? And do you find it difficult to pay a huge amount of money monthly to subscribe to Pro version of it? If your answer to these questions is yes, kindly send me a DM on WhatsApp. I have dropped the link to my WhatsApp group on the description box. So I will place it this way and run thread on it from the inside. And I will make sure that the thread, as I'm going to run the thread, it will align with the one I've run before. Make sure your hand doesn't go inside or outside. Just run it on top of it so that as you turn it this way, it will look as if it is hanging on that thread. Then you top stitch on the piece of fabric. So basically our pocket is ready. So you just go ahead and fold the four sides of the pocket. You can see how simple this very pocket design is. Very simple, very simple. As you can see, our pocket is ready. I've fixed a Swarovski button on it and it makes it much more beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of other educative videos on my channel. Kindly scroll down and check them out. And I assure you that there must be something new to learn, because the more you look, the more you see. And the more you see is the more you learn. See you next time.